that button right there, you're gonna see how hard to get out, because you have to remove this, that, this. Oh, don't get discouraged here. This. Come on, don't get discouraged. 100,000 screws just to get to that button. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Starting. Ow, that really hurt. I just punched. Look at this. I just punched this corner. This car's telling me it doesn't like me anymore, because look what I'm doing. I'm taking this whole thing out just for that stupid button. Look at this. Why would you have to do this? Why? Look at this. More screws back over here behind this door. So take this door off, pull this rubber out of the way, and you got 2 screws right here. Oh, by the way, make sure these guys snap over these guys, because we want to make sure to everyone, no one can ever steal that button. Look what I got to do to get that button out. You see this? 2 screws, and this pops out over. Now I already have everything loosened up over there. Let's go back on that side and make sure nothing breaks. Because this is a hidden door of some screws that you would think that, why would you hide screws back here? And there you go. Whatever this is, or meant to be, someone said it was going to be a speaker. I heard this is going to be a touch panel, as if there isn't enough touch stuff on here, but whatever. Now, another trap door is here. So 2 more screws that are hidden. And I also took them out. For all you were wondering, that's how I got to those screws. That one, and one over here. Here you go. This panel pops out. No screw down there. No screw down there. You following? See that? This pops out. See that? And we're going to find what we used. There we go. This guy. Be careful with this guy. Alright. I went up, turned, and pulled up. Turned and pulled up. Turned and pulled up. Alright. Get this cover out of your way. Let's get those 2 screws out. Let's get these guys out. And I'm show you how big this panel is. I am pumped. On the floor. Alright, now check this puppy out. It goes up. It lifts up. It lifts up. Look at that. Yes, sir. This thing's probably $3,000 right here. Because this car is brand spanking new. Look at this. Yes, sir. Starts in there. 1 10 mil, 2 10 mil. Pop this guy up with handy dandy little tool. There's actually a little notch right here. You pop this guy up and out of the way. Now you have to disconnect that to get the center console out of your way. So this is what we got to do. Do I have to? Yes. Let's get this guy out. First, squeeze. You see? Squeeze. This guy. Squeeze and turn outward. There you go. This guy can sit right there. There you go. There's your home. Now, let's get these 10 mils out. And they're all 10 mils. Actually, these are Phillips. But it's okay. We use a 10 mil anyway. Hey, look. There's your tray. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. They're all out. Now, grab this guy out of your way. This little plastic piece. And this little plastic piece. Close this guy. There you go. Now, with no further ado, this guy should... Oh, wait. We got more. I forgot about this one and the one on the other side. So let's move the seats up to get that control out. One screw. Gone. Right there. Hey, look, some Gatorade. One screw. I already took it out. It's behind me on the floor. Now, watch and learn. There we go. 2 more screws I already took out. Here and there. Because this is overlapped, we're going to pull this guy out. This pops out from its socket. Let me get this. I'll show you. And voila. 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. And you squeeze here. And we're going to take those 3 screws out and see if this display comes out. And there you have it. It popped out. Now this one's got 3 instead of 4. This one I guess is heavier. I don't know. But this is your hazard switch / radio controls out in my hand. So after I just showed you how to pull this guy up and out, I took the 2 screws, took the liberty, taking the 2 screws out. That one was right there, and one was right there. And we're going to take all this out. For what reason now? To get to that push button. So let's put this guy back. Gently, Wesley. Now that I have this out of the way, this out of the way, this out of the way, we're going to get those 3 screws out and see if that will allow us to get that push button start out. Isn't that lovely of Hyundai? That's so lovely. Look at this. All this for that button. You believe this? So now with 2 hands, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull this guy up, since I already took him out, and take off the rest of this. Let's see what happens. Voila. Now, if I was a master a-hole, that's where I would mount my GPS. Because ain't nobody doing this to get to a GPS. Because I wanted to get the button out. Why? Who the hell cares, dude? Listen, you're the one doing this, not me. I'm doing it for entertainment purposes. Look, 3 screws, and this puppy comes out. Maybe 4. Who knows? I'm not even going to do it. I'm not going to take it out, because that looks like it's for the vent. That last one over here, that looks for the vent. So I would assume these 3 would pop this button out. So you know what? After all this, I'm going to take it out. I mean, why do all this if I can't take it out? I'm going to take it out. So I took those 3 screws out. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Is this going to come out? Look at this. Look at this. It's even sitting on a prong that is holding it in place. Look at this. All right, let's try a little harder with some tools. After all that, she comes out in your hand. You have got to be kidding me. I mean, who would do this? Why would you do this? Why? Why would you make it so difficult to pull this button out? Look, after all this, look at this. Look at this. All this. All of this. To pull 3 screws out and a plug. Thank you, Hyundai. Thank you so much. So, with that being said, you're the one crazy enough to take it all apart. You're going to put it back together. I'm not going to sit around and show you how to do it. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.